Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the Euro US dollar FX for Monday, August the 24th. Well, immediately we can see that there's been a change of character for this market today, and we can see that from the color of the body of the candle. In all of this first time frame uptrend here, an uptrend once again in the first time frame is a higher high and a higher low in the candle compared to the previous candle. We had a series of higher highs and higher lows and a nice first time frame uptrend, and each of these bodies were green and fairly large bodies except for that one there. Here today we had a red body, which means that the sellers have made net bearish progress. So the market is starting to become a little bit bearish. In bar chart terms, it's an inside bar which raises indecision. It means that we couldn't take out the high of the current candle, so the the bulls have lost a lot of the power that they had in forcing this first time frame uptrend up on its way. But the bears weren't strong enough to push the market down below the low. So we have a bar where the high is below the previous high, but the low is above the previous low. Also, we're trading within this very strong zone of resistance we identified, and we've had very strong selling after a rally into these zones, and there is potential for that to happen here. There is potential for this market to sell off. We need to watch the low of the current candle for that. We have the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen close by though, and they've held as support for the last two candles, and there is potential for them to hold as support once again. If they sell off, then we have support down at this swing low around 140, and then down around 140.04, and then 140 down around there. Failing that, then we have the cloud or the Kumo, which will hold as support, and the market can find support anywhere through the cloud. So if it does trade through the top of the cloud, there's potential for support all the way down through this region. Upside potential is limited too, because we have this very strong zone of resistance up above. If the market does trade up into that zone, we had this area where there was very strong selling up around 144.50, and there was very strong selling and a lot of indecisiveness as the market tried to trade up into there, so we need to keep an eye on that. Overall, though, the trend is up. We are trading up above the cloud or the Kumo, which means the market is positive. We are trading above the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen, although both of those have turned flat. And when they turn flat, it reflects a market that's really non-trending. It reflects a market that's in balance or in equilibrium. When they turn flat also, they tend to be attractors of price action, and we've seen that here when the market has been trading around there and found support there. So there is still potential for the market to trade back towards the Kijun-sen here, and we need to watch the short-term dynamics to get an idea on what direction could follow after that. So upside limited potential, downside limited potential, not a market that we really want to be trading in any medium-term perspective.